Let's watch the whole process of operation. Next, let's do its operation. The first step is to start. This truck has a self-test function. Before we open the power takeoff, we need to check the air pressure first. Is the chassis air pressure sufficient? It's okay to reach 7. Step on the clutch. Power takeoff. Slowly loosen the clutch. This is the operator in the cabin. Main boom up. Main arm descent. Slide arm extension. Slide arm retraction. Lock open. If you go to the right, it is locked. Outriggers extended. Outrigger retraction. So now we're going to go outside. Outriggers extended. Outrigger retraction. When the box is lowered, to extend the legs. Lock. Lock open. Telescopic arm extended. Telescopic boom retraction. Open the lock first. Retractable boom. Down boom rise. Lock the main arm before lifting. Main arm descent. The process of unloading. Electric winch. To pull the wire rope out, turn this handle to the right. Pull up and rotate. Second step. When collecting the wire rope, turn the handle to the left. Press this electric handle. All operations are over.